How's it going, everybody? This is Brent from Deep Creek Metalworks again. So I wrapped up another BAJA 100. This one's going to Northern California, and I've been getting some questions. People want to see how these things run. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to put in a full charcoal chimney of charcoal in there, let it come up to temperature, see where we're at. Then I'll add some wood, and then we'll get it up to 250, and we'll just kind of check it out and see how it's running. All right, so I got a Deep Creek Metalworks Chimney XL. I have this one filled up 3/4 of the way, so we'll see what kind of temperature we get just from that. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes, and right now we're about 125 degrees on the bottom and about 140 on the top. Sorry about the wind, I know it's kind of noisy, but so we got our 3 splits on. We'll let that fire get nice and lit. We'll close her up and then see what temperature we're at. All right, it's been about 15-20 minutes, and we are now at about 275 on the top and about 250 on the bottom. This is with the same 3 original splits I put on. Got our air damper wide open. All right, it's been about 20 minutes since we last checked. We are at about 285 on the top and 250 on the bottom. All right, everybody, it's been an hour and 15 minutes since I put the charcoal in this thing, and see where we are at now. We're still on the original wood. So we're at 280. It might have dropped almost 5 degrees on the top, and we are still exactly 250 on the bottom. Let's check our wood. It's getting down there. So for those of you who may have been wondering, the top slide out shelf here is 8 inches above the bottom, and then you can see where the temperature probe is. It's right up there at the top level. So these pits run about 25 to 30 degrees hotter on that top level than the bottom grate typically. All right, so after running for almost 2 hours from our initial startup with the charcoal, we're at about 245 on the top, about 220, 225 almost on the bottom. Let's check out our wood. So yeah, we're down to just coals now. I did stir it up a little bit. So if I was cooking, we'd be ready for more wood, obviously. All right, everyone, so hopefully that answers some of your questions on how these things run. I got this one loaded up. I'm gonna be taking it to Northern California. All right, so I do have the next couple orders. I got all the laser cutting done, and I'm gonna start assembling these. I did have one customer back out, so now my waiting list went from June to May. So if anybody's interested in getting on the waiting list, it's a $500 down payment, and that will secure your spot. So go ahead and you can message me in the direct messages, or you can email me at deepcreeksmokers@gmail.com.